National Chairman, all members of the BoT, gentlemen of the press, before I say a few words, as the chairman BoT posted on the group site, he is out of the country. He thought he could be back to attend the scheduled meetings, but it wasn't possible. And I'm standing in for him to to conduct these affairs of this scheduled BoT meeting. We wish him success in whatever he's doing, and at the end of it, we wish him safe. Mr. Chairman, the scheduled meetings that started yesterday, culminating next today, the middle meeting, which is the BoT, are critical meetings intended to set the party on a path to put it in full gear on the path of rebuilding the party and improving upon what all past leaders have done. These meetings are very, very critical. We thank God for the stability that has returned to the party. We have to build on that stability. But we must never take things for granted, because for one reason or the other, some of our friends and associates have left us. I don't believe they have left us for good. I believe when you look at the agenda, the success of the items scheduled is what will bring most of them, I cannot say all of them, back. Not only them, what can even bring new hands into the PDP. So the ball is in our court, not only to discuss and approve the items on the agenda, but to make sure the outcome of the scheduled National Convention sends a strong positive message to Nigerians, because that is what is going to define the political landscape in this country. And in so doing, I urge all members to be cautious of what they say or do. Some cannot be working to rebuild the party, and some trying to demarcate it. There is a difference between personal opinion and party position. If anybody is speaking on personal opinion, he or she should say so. The party has formal organs for speaking, and that should be respected. We must never show to the public that we are a group that anybody can do what he or she likes anytime and anyhow. We must not injure each other by what we do or what we don't do. As we move forward, Mr. Chairman, distinguished members, I will also advise that, yes, we may have differences where we should be cautious in expressing opinions, even on those who have left us, because what we want is for them to come back now or very, very soon. Mr. Chairman, we know that some people are aggrieved, but when aggrieved, we have to calm down and cool down. Whatever our grievances may be, if we work together, the convention should resolve all grievances. It's an opportunity, and we must not miss it. We should be patient and make use of it. May God Almighty guide this meeting and subsequent meetings, and may God Almighty shower crown our efforts with victory in whatever we set out for ourselves. You are welcome to the 81st meeting of BoT. Thank you.
Distinguished BoT members here present, I want to align completely with what the chair has said. Yesterday, during the consultative meeting and conference, we've said a lot, and it was like the beginning of an era that has come for us as a new dawn. If you notice, from yesterday, during our caucus, after the consultative meeting, we were lamenting that the manner of which the meeting was conducted was because there were no contending voices. And that's the beauty of the party. Of course, like I said yesterday, to those who feel they will go and come back, it's really sad, not at this particular time. But when ambition beclouds reasoning, then that's a problem. I want to reiterate here, we are the hope of this country. The PDP is the hope of this country. We've remained resilient. The same brand that was founded to fight injustice, to strengthen democracy, as well as lead with all sense of humor. This is what we are made of. We should be proud to be PDP members at every time. With these opening remarks, I want to congratulate us that today, not like you see in other parties, PDP is one and united. For that alone has called for celebration. What we need to do is to consolidate and go out there and face our opponents. House united will always lead.